Okay, now we are going to complete leap year problem solving in Java. Okay, first of all, we go through the question here. You are given an integer n, return true if it is a leap year, otherwise return false. So here the input is an integer, the output will be boolean. So either it will be the return true or it will return false. Okay. Now, first of all, what is a leap year? Leap year is a year which is if a leap year is divisible by 400, it's a leap year. Or else, if it's divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100, 100, then it is not a leap year. It's a leap year, okay. So, first of all, we'll see the input as 4. 4 is not divisible 100 and is divisible by 4. So, it's a leap year. I'll go to the coding and I'll explain here. So, I'll go to the online compiler. I'll clear this thing first. First, I'll create a class and name it as solution. You can name it as anything else inside that. I'll start coding. Here, the return type is boolean, right? So, I'm used to return type is boolean and naming the method, and I'm passing the parameters n. The integer only we are going to pass only one integer, so the will be name it as n. Now I'll write the code here. If n n modulo 400 is equal to 0, or that's a R symbol there, n modulo 4 is equal to 0 and n modulo 100 not equal to 0. So the condition is simple here. If the given leap year is divisible by 400, it's a leap year. And the remainder we get is 0, it's a leap year. Or else we go to the next case. In that case, it should be divisible by 4 and the remainder must be 0. And the same leap year must be not divisible by 100 and the remainder we should not get 0. If these two conditions pass, the then the given number is leap year. Okay. After the if block, you open the code and I will return true or else return false. So I'm opened here, class is open closed, method is open and closed, in if opened and closed. Okay. Now I'll explain with the main method example. Public static void main. Open the bracket here and I'll pass the int a is equal to what 2000. So 2000 is a leap year, right? So that I'll pass it here and check here. And I'll type the print line system dot out dot print ln, and I'll call the method inside there is leap a, and colon is semicolon is must. Now I'll run this and I'll check. I got error here. What's the error? Eighth line I got the error. I think the bracket is extra here. Class is opened and closed. Method is opened and closed. If block is opened and closed. Now I'll run here. Use enable preview to enable unnamed classes. I think the bracket is wrong. Again I'm getting error. Where in eighth line public static void main. Okay, I'm asking the chat GPT here. Compilation failed, one error. What's the error? Illegal start of expression. Okay, I'll copy and paste it here. Okay, I made a minor mistake here. Okay, I should open here and close it here, and I've closed it here, and then method is closed. Now I'll run here. Again, I'm getting error as unnamed classes are a preview feature and are disabled by default. Okay, I'll ask again what's happening here. I don't know what's the mistake here, so I'll come. I'm asking ChatGPT here so that we can get through the mistake fastly and we'll complete this. But there's a braces placement mistake and Java is strict about the code. Where I made the mistake. Let's look at a current code problem. It's fine. It's outside the if block. Okay, open a bracket here. Inside that, and if block, I'm closing it. I'm closing it. Okay, I've closed the method here. That's the mistake I've done here. Okay, I'll explain that. Here, I should not close the method here because the method itself will be closing. Then the main method will be not able to call this method here. So now the year 2000 is divisible by 400. So is equal to 0. The first condition is a pass. So 400 into 5, 2000. So modular division will get the answer as 0. First condition is a pass. So we get the output as true because we used the return type as boolean. So now we completed the leap year problem solving in Java. Thank you.